In this video, I'll show you how to connect a Restream feed right into your platform. So sometimes there's cases where you may just want to embed your Restream feed right into your platform. Now you can also do this by streaming from Restream to YouTube, and YouTube could be embedded in your platform. But there are use cases where you don't necessarily need it to go to YouTube and you just want to keep it a little bit simpler. So Restream does have the option to embed the live feed on any website, including your Tribe platform. So let's jump into the dashboard and I'll show you how to set this up. I'm going to click Add Content here at the top. We'll zoom in. I'm just going to call this Restream Test. I will go over here to Content Type, and I can choose Restream Embed. So you'll see Restream Embed right there. And now it's going to ask for a Restream Embed token. So to get this, we can head over into Restream. And here I'm going to go ahead and schedule an event, but you can also do this by simply going live in the studio. So I'll click Schedule Event. I'm going to use the Restream Studio, and we'll say Test Stream. Next. I'm going to turn everything off here just for the test, but of course you could also stream this to YouTube or Facebook and then also have it embedded at Tribe as well. So click Create. Yes. All right, so here's my new event. I'm going to zoom in here and you'll see there's a little icon here with the two arrows, and that is what you're going to click on to get the embed code for your stream. So now you can actually embed this on any site that you want, but what we've made it really easy is you just scroll down here and you'll see something that says token equals and then a bunch of letters and numbers. So you're just going to grab this like that. You can do it with before the and or with that as well. It doesn't really matter too much. So you can click copy here. I'm going to go back to Restream and I'm going to hit paste. So there goes the token. I'll go ahead and turn live chat on and I'll hit save. I'm going to click here and click view. And you'll see that the player is now embedded. And I also have chat here on the right, so I can chat on the right here. And so at this point, I can also go ahead and test the streams. Let's jump over to the Restream. I'm going to jump into the studio here, enter the studio. For this test, I am simply going to show this background video here. And I'm going to go ahead up here and click Go Live. So this will start broadcasting to all the destinations I've set, as well as the Restream player, which is now on the site here. And there you see the stream is playing. Now, what's cool about this is my users, if they're watching this page, they don't have to refresh the page for it to show up. So they could just be, if they arrived early to the event, they can just be on the page, they can wait, and as soon as it starts broadcasting, it'll just simply start sending your video into Restream, into your Tribe platform. And so let me just show you at the end what happens when you finish your stream. So because this way that Restream works is it only works for the live piece. So you can, while you're streaming live, it can be in your player, in your Tribe site, and people can be chatting and watching it on your site. But when it's finished, we do have to take one or two more steps to show the replay. So let me show you how to do that really quick. So we'll jump into the desktop here. Let's go ahead and end the stream. Click OK. Now, Restream makes this really easy because you can go to the top here and you can click Download Recording. And we're just going to go to this top version here once it's processed and click Download Full Video. There we go. So once it's processed, this video is only 2 minutes as a test. If you do have longer videos, it could take an extra few minutes to wait for this, but we'll click Download Video. Okay, now the video has been downloaded. What I do at this point is just go back to my dashboard. I'm going to click the pencil icon on that same piece of content. It says Restream Test. And now instead of using an embed for the live portion, I'm just going to go up to the very top and hit Upload Video. Now I can choose a video from my computer here. I'll choose the Restream file that I just downloaded, and I'm going to let it upload. So what this means is while it's going to upload now into the site, and it's going to get archived forever on your platform. So this is using all of the cool upload hosting bandwidth and transcoding and all that Tribe does. It's going to do that all for you with this Restream file. And so that way, if you ever close the Restream account or those recordings disappear, you've got this archived now on your platform forever. And if you ever need it in the future, you can always just come right into here into to Tribe and click download video. So that file is always accessible to you in the future as well. So you've kind of archived it for life. And there you go. There's our video. And a nice side benefit of this, if I hit save and we go back to our player here, and I'm going to click refresh, you'll see that it shows here. And the video is actually shown here. People can hit play and they can watch this video forever on this platform now. So this is completely disconnected from Restream, and it's now hosted on your platform. One of the nice side benefits here on the top right is you'll see that that chat that happened while I was streaming is still attached to this recording. So let's say I streamed this webinar or a coaching session, and I had a bunch of people chatting in the comments while I was streaming. When I'm finished, when I put the replay there, all those comments from the live time that the live stream are now also available to the people watching the replay. This is really cool because if you were hosting this on Zoom, for example, and chat was happening in Zoom, and then you had a different chat on your replay site, people wouldn't be able to see each other's comments. And so just one of the things that's nice about this is it helps build a better sense of community for the people who were live and the people who are watching the replay. And so you can see all of that in a single chat. So that is how to manage and put a Restream live streamed into your Tribe platform, and then also how to archive it once that stream is finished. If you have any questions, you can always email us at help@tribesocial.io, and we look forward to helping in the future.